So, hi everyone. So, I'm the Masilan from Ranga Technologies. So, I'm the owner who is running this company for past 8 years. So, my father have started this industry at 2006. So, I'm the person now who is managing this industry. So, I have few things to tell you about the oil business because nowadays most of the customers are interested to start doing oil business. So I have few points regarding the machines and how to do the oil business. So like everyone is interested to buy the machine, but they don't know about the machine. Actually, they have some knowledge, but everyone is new to the oil business, so they have some doubts about the machine. So everyone is asking about the machine, what type of machine you are manufacturing. So actually, we are manufacturing a fully wooden machine. In the oil production, we have two types of oil production. One is like cold press and another one is a hot press machine. So now we are doing a fully cold press machine. Like fully cold press machine means it should be made up of wooden. So the oil making area should be made up of wooden. So other type of machines are made up of steel or stone they are using for oil production. The pure cold press machine is made up of wooden. So the main advantage of our machine, why we need to purchase Ranga technology machine, means we are concentrating the machine performance, the machine life and the satisfaction of the customers. So this is our main goal. These are three main goals we are mainly focusing. I don't know about the other manufacturers because they are just trying to sell their product and they don't care about their machine performance and I don't say about the performance, but like maintenance wise, how about the machine life, that's are the few things I am noticing from the other manufacturing. But in my machine I'm mainly focusing the customer satisfaction is main thing for me, and the machine performance should be main thing for me, and the machine maintenance, because if you purchase my machine which should be running for a long time without any issue, then only I can sell my machine for a long time. Because if the customer feedbacks are not good and if the performance is not good, then I cannot survive in this market. So I'm doing the business past 8 years because I'm concentrating on each and every parts of the machines, because if any single part is not good, the machine will be not working fine. So I'm just concentrating on each and every part of the machine. So that's why I'm serving in the industry past 8 years. So, and another thing is the maintenance wise. So selling, like the customer can buy their own, if they like that model, they can buy that machine. So I cannot able to tell that you should purchase my machine only. That is customer wise, they can purchase any machines. But the main thing is, after purchasing the machine, maintenance wise, it should not have any problem, because if you purchase the machine, it should be very maintenance less. If you are having lots of trouble with the machine, then you cannot do the business properly. You have lots of issues with the machine, then it will be not a good way of doing a business. So most of the customers, what is happening, they are interested to do the business, they are purchasing the machine, they have started doing everything, they are investing lots of money in the business and they are starting the business. But the main thing is, if the machine is not working fine, they cannot do the business properly. So if they want to do it in a proper way itself, but they are not able to do it because of maybe the machine or the raw material quality is not good, or the labor is not good, like they don't have any knowledge about the machine. So that are the things which is affecting the business. So my main thing is, like, when you are starting a business, prepare a proper report for the business. So you should have a proper employee for running the your business. And the second thing is the basic things of the oil production. So what is the procedure? So how the oil is extracted from the machine, and how much oil content it will have, and what type of oil seeds you should purchase. So the moisture contents of the seeds, everything you should learn from them. Like that's a basic thing for doing a business, for oil business. So mainly the oil output they are considering. Like when you are putting the raw material inside the machine, the oil output should be in a good quantity. Like it should not be very low, it should not be very high. like not I'm saying high, because we can get more amount of oil output from the hybrid seeds, but the oil quality will be not good. If you are having a like without having a hybrid seeds, if it is a good quality of groundnut, then you will get a medium amount of oil output from that seed, but the oil quality will be first quality. The oil color will be good, the oil color, taste, the everything will be good, smell, everything will be good if you are having a good quality of raw material. So if you are aiming for a oil output, then don't use this hybrid seeds to get more oil output. The oil quality will be definitely not good, and don't use low quality of seeds, then you will not get good amount of oil output from that seeds. And the main things, if you are going to start a business, don't leave your job. Like now what you're doing, just do that job regularly, and start up a new business as a side business. Because don't believe one business and just start that. So you just wait for a business to grow up. So actually, if you are an IT employee or if you are doing any other job, you just do that regularly, don't leave that job. So do that regularly and do your business properly, do your work regularly, then you can side by side you can develop this new business. So if you are planning for doing an oil business, don't just leave your job and just don't involve in this business, oil business. Just do your if you're IT employee, most of the IT employees are coming to do this new business. So mostly if you are trying to do a new business, don't leave your job, do your job regularly, then side by side you can start doing this oil business. So when the business is getting developed and if you have more orders and if you are able to do a good business, then leave your job and start doing your business. So that's my suggestion. And at least for 1 or 2 years, just do it as a service, don't do it as a business. So definitely everyone is starting a business, within 1 year they are trying to earn more money, but it's not possible right now, because in India, definitely I'm saying that if you're starting a business, at least we need 1 or 2 years to survive. Like what I mean, to get more earning, at least 1 or 2 years we just need to do it as a service. Don't look it for a profit, just do it as a service. You are producing a good quality of oil in your machine, and if you are selling to the customer for a reasonable price. First the customer need to buy that oil, and they need to feel the taste and that flavor they need to taste, then only they'll start buying your oil regularly. So don't aim for your profit, just do it as a service. So that's my another suggestion or request from my side. And the second thing, not every customer I'm saying, so few of my customers are the persons who is doing oil business. Mostly they are trying to calculate the price, to reduce the price, or to get some little bit of margin what they are doing. With the pure quality of oil, they are mixing with other oils. So normally it's commonly they are doing in oil business. So please don't do this in food items. If you are doing in a cloth, it is just an outwear, so it's not going to affect your health. So food item you should not do any other mixing, or don't do it when you are because everyone is a human being, they need to live in a healthy way. So if one person is affecting, day by day society will be getting spoiled. So don't do that. So don't mix any other oil with this pure groundnut oil, coconut oil, sesame oil. If you are not earning profit also, just do it as a service for at least 1 or 2 years. Then after customers are really satisfied with your product, then they will definitely buy your product. If you're trying to increase your price of the oil, so don't suddenly increase the price, step by step. If you're selling for reasonable price for 250 per liter groundnut oil, definitely you can sell the oil for 250 per liter. And day by day, not day by day, like monthly you can just little bit increase per liter 10 rupees. So because you should suddenly you cannot able to survive, you can launch your product and you cannot become a big Ambani like that. So you just need to step by step, so slowly just increase your oil price. So don't suddenly increase your oil price, then the market will be getting affected. So step by step increase your oil price, so that will be better. And definitely if the oil price is very high, if the customers are really satisfied with your product, then they'll buy your product after, not in the starting, I'm saying about after 1 or 2 years. So thank you friends for watching this video. So this is my small what I say, like small ideas to the businessmen, upcoming entrepreneurs to do the oil business, because in India we have lots of population, and the food industry, like in oil industry, we have lots of demand in India, because 80 to 90% of oil we are importing from abroad countries. So we have more demand in India. So definitely oil business is going to be a big business. There's going to be a big boom in India. So definitely friends, so I'm recommending you to do a business as a service for at least 1 or 2 years. After 2-3 years, definitely you will get a good margin and you will get a good customer base in the market. Definitely you will survive in the market. So don't lose your hope. Try to choose a better machine. So don't go for cheaper machines, and just look their machine performance and the quality. Don't just compare with the price. So if the price is high, don't believe that the machine quality will be high. If the price is low, definitely the quality will be low. I'm saying that there should be a reasonable price for the machine and the product what we are manufacturing. So please try to understand what is the mechanism we are using, what is the quality of oil we are getting from the machine, so how we are going to do the business. So everything just consider. Don't just blindly give orders to the manufacturers. Just try to analyze how the machine. So we are trying to educate the people. So we are not trying to sell the machines to the customers. Lot of the manufacturers are trying to sell the machines to the customers, but I don't do that. I'm just educating to the customers, because my aim to not sell the machines. My product should be running fine, my customers should be happy. So that's my aim. I don't keep more margin in my machine. So I'm selling for a reasonable price. So I need to run my company smoothly, and my product should be good, and I should be happy. Then only my customers should be happy. So that's my aim. So thank you for watching my video friends. So again, my small request, don't mix any type of oil with the good quality of oil. If you're not getting margin, that's not a problem. Then sell it for a reasonable price. Don't keep more margin. Don't mix any type of oil in the good quality oil. So that's my small request. Thank you friends. Thank you. Bye.